Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the process priority in Windows 10. So your computer's CPU allocates resources between all the running apps or applications on your computer, and the amount of resources available is a finite number. So your resources have to be allocated properly, and your computer generally will allocate them by itself. It doesn't require user input. But in newer versions of Windows, there are priority levels that you can adjust a given process to. And those process levels are low, below normal, normal, above normal, high, and real time. Generally, normal is the default level, and most applications will run at this level without having any sort of adverse effects. So if you notice you want to render something a little bit quicker, or maybe something's acting a little slow, you can temporarily adjust it to above normal or high, or perhaps you want to slow it down a little bit to taking up a lot of resources, you can adjust it to below normal. So this will take effect until the app process terminates. So generally for most people that would be when you restart your computer, but I'm just going to show you guys how to make that temporary adjustment, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by right-clicking on the taskbar and then select the Task Manager. Select the Details tab, and then whatever process you want to adjust, go ahead and right-click on it. Select Set Priority, and at this point you can set it to whatever priority you want. So again, like I said, probably do not set it to real time. That's probably going to be a mistake. Above normal is probably alright, and then high, I mean, it depends. You monitor what the usage of your CPU and memory is over here. So if it's getting a little bit high, you can adjust it. But generally, I wouldn't go to the extremes on here, especially real time. I wouldn't even touch that at all. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.